up, y'all? It's Brady. My dad's super busy like always, and I figured I'd help him out by reviewing this Bronco Raptor we got here. Oh, what? What in the world?
I told you Rambo was going to be back. For the Bronco Raptor, it's time for the Indo. Not really, Brady. Sorry to have to do that to you. Your dad told me to mess with you a little bit. He's got the real Indo edition waiting for you. Let's go. For the special occasion, I wanted to show you for the first time the Hoyt Easton Rambo bow. I always believe that the mind is the greatest weapon, but this will get the job done too. You ready to see the Indo?
Hey now, I think I can shoot that thing better than you can.
What?
Oh yeah.
I shot a tank with this thing at 197 yards.
Still think I can shoot it better. Hey, you got your new bow. What else do you want?
I want what they want, and every other guy who gave all he had wants for our custom trucks to love us as much as we love it. That's what I want.
Brady, you look a little frazzled there. You okay?
I don't know, it's pretty fire. Look at this thing.
No, like what? Did somebody almost get you? Did you almost get got?
Oh yeah, I almost got.
He told me that if he had a knife, you'd have been over with.
Probably.
All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed that. Rambo was back. Real deal's back. Brady Rambo's back. The babe's back because she loves the white. She loves the Stormtrooper vibe. And today we're comparing side by side Rambo fashion, Indo edition Stormtrooper, because I couldn't, Dayton didn't have the suit for me. I was going to rock the Stormtrooper suit today, but D-Money didn't have it. So we got a great one for you. Check out just the side by side. I'm gonna step out the way. Just look at how bold. I mean, is it right to say that this really is trumped by the Indo edition? That's hard to believe, y'all, because you've got a regular Bronco, which we know a regular basic Bronco versus a Sasquatch is kind of no comparison. And then when I drove this bad boy right here in the stock form, it just made the regular Bronco almost obsolete. And I hate to say that, there's so many of you all that have amazing, great, I mean, we had an amazing, phenomenal regular Bronco, but it's just like a F-150 to a regular Raptor. Once you drive it, it's like a horse and buggy to a legit chariot. It makes a huge difference. And I love to see the height difference right here as far as our level kit wise. 2¼ inch leveled in the front and 1.5 inches in the back, and we're on a big and bolsterous wheel and tire combo, 38, 13.5, 17, Method MR305, so double black. We got the gloss black lip with the matte black finish, a true rugged renditions. Ford does a great job with these performance vehicles, but we love to elevate and take them next level. It's our rendition, our take, our custom lifestyle on how we think it really should be. So up front, you notice, just like the regular Ford Raptor, we've got that gray grille up front. We got the steel bumper up front that's a modular fashion that is, again, just kind of plain and basic with a silver skid. Jump right next door and you can tell we did satin black on the entire grille with our custom unique Oxford white pinstripe on the Ford letters. And then taking this steel bumper, we can obviously change and go to a different aftermarket bumper, but I actually like this bumper a lot. Showcasing the accents, leaving the bolts black, Oxford white there, satin black on the front, big bolsterous skid plate. And now come back next door. It's great to have, look y'all, it's great to have the resources that Akins has, because we've got stock Bronco Raptor, which everybody's trying to find one of these across the entire country. We have multiple of these right now, both custom and stock, so hit us up. But look right here, your fog light area, you've got two, just like on the regular Raptor, rigid lights that are street legal, but two of these combined don't put out near as much light as this single SAE light from Rigid, just that solo light there. Then we've got a floodlight spotlight combo to give you more visibility at nighttime, and plus it just looks more full, filling that slot up right there. And then coming up top, we've got our 360 lights in 4-inch fashion, looking amazing. I love the round lights. I know some like to use the square, but I like the round light because you see on the front, you've got round light fashion, so it flows nicely throughout that area. Side heat extractor was already white. You can see the comparison there, but look at these fenders. I mean, the fenders, y'all, the fenders are an afterthought to me. I'm not happy with these fenders, even painted, but definitely painted is the way to go. Show them right here, Brady. Look how great the Oxford white fenders look. Makes a huge improvement. Satin black on the top heat extractor, which is functional, and a nice border perimeter on the Raptor logo there. So we've got additional lighting. We've got more aesthetically pleasing body lines and appearance overall up front. We go here to this textured, cheap cap. I mean, this vehicle's in the $90,000 range with this. Come right next door, Oxford white, bad boy looking legit. Right here again, we've got textured handles coming right next door. We go Oxford white, and then are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. Look at this top, the hard top. Again, in that gray fashion, the game changer is the Oxford white hard top. Looking incredible. Fender flares out back to match. Come on back, Brady. Show them a good side-by-side comparison of those two. Looking great. Now look, real deal is not all about the paint. You know I love the paint, but it's not paint or bust. There's many ways to take this vehicle and do not paint any of it and still make it more capable, more rugged, and more appealing at the same time. But you know, I believe in the custom lifestyle, but the premium custom lifestyle of making an elegant yet capable vehicle is what I'm all about. And I know you are too. So that just looks so amazing. We use a Fab Force bumper specifically for the Bronco Raptor. It's wider overall. We put some D-Series lights out back to illuminate while we're trying to reverse. Looking great. We do, come here, I forgot about it, Brady. Look, we got the satin on the Bronco with a white dot right there, just to let you know, just a little detail. A little white dot just to show you got the eye of the Bronco. What you know. Air tire looking great. We also have a third brake light there because going to a 38, we are blocking our third brake light up here slightly, so we go to the ring there for just, we don't want nobody rear-ending in y'all. I mean, our customers, our vehicles are everything. When this vehicle's rolling around, it's just as important to take care of the customer as it is the vehicle. These are our babies just like they are our great customers because it just means more to us, y'all. Over here on the side, Raptor logo, a nice border perimeter in the Oxford white as well. And again, this handle right here showing the comparison next door. I mean, this cheap TPU style bumper, no, that just don't work for me. It just does not work. And again, the 38s are not too much. You got a 3-liter twin turbo EcoBoost, 418 horsepower, so strong. 38s, it turns them no problem. So if you're wondering about us going to 38s or even 39s, you're gonna have no issue with that other than just swatting people off of you because they're gonna be all over you trying to look at this bad boy because it is a true one-of-one Stormtrooper Indo Edition Ford Bronco Raptor. Let's go. I will say that these hips really give it that bulldog stance. They definitely give some good coverage as well. Look for us for advanced fiberglass in the near future, coming with full panel replacements to get a more sleek overall design because I like for it to look like it's not an afterthought. Want it to flow, but this one to me is still perfect, and Oxford white is one of my favorites. To me, we're very balanced and proportional as far as our wheel size, our tire size, overall height. The 2¼ inch level kit in the front with 1.5 inch back is a sweet spot. You go 1.5 inch in the front alone, to me, it portrays the fronts a little bit higher. So I love this combo, but it almost makes you want to go up to 38s. So I guess if you're want to modify a Bronco Raptor and you're going to stay on 37, I maybe wouldn't even touch the level kit at all, just keep it the way it is. We do have the Fox Live Valve technology, which mitigates bumps and imperfections multiple hundredths of a time per second, so that is a great benefit. There's no other vehicle on the market that rides as good as this vehicle, and it's got the power to be a 5-tool player. The width of that 9 wide and 13.5 wide tire in comparison to the stock 37, it definitely trumps the stock setup. It is a good looking wheel. There are different wheels that the Bronco Raptor offers, and this one isn't not bad at all. I'm not knocking this vehicle other than just saying that it's done better to me with our Indo Edition fashion. It just has a better appeal, better capability, and overall premium ride quality attributes that make it worth every penny, y'all. Side by side, a stock one. This one's available now, as well as the Indo Edition. Let me know your thoughts and comments on your experience with the Bronco Raptor so far, or which of these two you like better. Am I dead wrong on this, or am I right on the money? I'm usually right on the money setup. Brady, which one do you like better?
I like the stock. No, I'm just kidding. Of course I like those painted ones.
Now, the honey's got one on order, and she's thinking about just staying in her iconic silver bad boy up there. But once she saw it in person, she was, look at her. She got it made. She said, I don't know, do I go Bronco Raptor Indo, or do I just stay in my Indo? Gotta love it, y'all. Okay.
Hey, it's like, do you want the built four-wheeler for the XC, or you just want the stalker? Of course you want the built one, like.
Facts. So we've learned in the ATV racing scene that stock sucks. You cannot race at a competitive level on a stock setup. Hang with the big dogs, you can't run on the stock. That's just the way it is, y'all. And you can definitely see right here, just say you pull up to a red light, you pull up in this bad boy right here, it is phenomenal. It definitely trumps, to me, ride quality and performance overall. The Jeep 392 is amazing. I'm not knocking that or talking about that, but overall 5'2" player can do it all, best balance. This one, you pull up in this bad boy, but then you see this one pull up right next to you, you're instantly gonna be let down. So don't be let down, life is too short. Live the custom lifestyle every time, because life is so short and sweet. Let's go, y'all. Peace out, and the family, catch you next time. Rambo, I appreciate you, big dog.